So just did just one nail because I wanted to see if I was feeling this. I don't know if I'm feeling my direction I was originally gonna go in. I mean, it's not bad. Maybe I should have added a crystal or two. But maybe I need to just do them all. But I would hate to do them all and hate them. I'm wondering if I should have just done glitter like I originally thought. I wanted it to be cute. And the second time I filed it off. So like the second time I've literally done this nail and then taken the whole thing off. I don't know. So should I just leave my nails like this? I don't even know if it's focusing. So I have done, come on. Come on. Maybe if I put it on my black. It's not even focusing. I have nail dust all over me. So I filed most of that off since I'm putting the same color back on, these two. And the only thing I filed is this one to prep for the same color. But I wanted back some claws. Now I got to file these correctly and shape them and file them down because I just put the natural fibers. So that's all I've done. I haven't even filed any of them. Woo! Alright, this is what we're working with. I hate this camera sometimes. This is literally the only thing in the shot. Ignore my dusty nail pants. I haven't gotten all the crap off the sides here. Why doesn't anything ever focus? Maybe it'll focus on here. Yes, so ignore the stuff on the sides. I haven't gotten all like the white off from the stamping. But how fun. Ignore this. I did cut myself with the drill right here, but Louis also got me. So it looks like I jacked up my thumb, which I did. But I've redid this nail like 4 times, so it's bound to happen. But how cute are these? I love this ombre. I'm like really feeling this. Tutorial will be up hopefully semi soon when you see this video, as I'm trying to get more current. But I don't know nail video to vlogs. So I decided to put the claws back on. True story. This is what happens when I do my nails. No one ever gets to see this. You do now. But yeah, I end up putting crap everywhere. This is a little bit more than usual. But yeah, this is kind of what my table looks like when I do my nails. Yeah, I'm guilty, I'm not gonna lie. Did a little cleanup, not too much. These are like orders in progress, so I don't want to like put them away. I had like a envelope thing that I used to use that would keep them in order, but I haven't printed their stuff yet, so I don't want to like put it away. And then I cleaned off this desk because I finished my nails. Right, Deemy? I know, I need a new one of those mats, but I'll show you my nails. Excuse me, you're looking at my chest. But let's see, I'll put you behind the light. I feel like it's not going to show. Maybe there we go. It looks super white. I don't think they're showing. It's like a peach. There we go. Like a peach with like a stamp over it. Sorry, it's trying to focus over there. Yeah. And then this is an ombre with some crystals. And then this is the same thing, but a little different. Right, Deemy? What you doing? It's probably bright for you. Don't look in there. Actually, you could probably see it better. No. There we go. Without the light. And each hand is a little different. It's the same but different. But that ombre though, Super impressed with myself. This one's on the ring finger. I haven't worn my rings all day because I have been lazy, and you know what? I really want to clean my, ooh, Nikes, Louie. Run away, because you're not allowed in here anyway. I mean, you are, sort of. Well, I'm about to drop my computer. Don't want to do that. So yeah, I am selling this guy. So I moved him to take a better picture from here, although I guess here. So now when you come out of my mess of an office, like, you have all this space, my laundry room, and then, not gonna lie, that box may or may not be Christmas. Suitcase, because we're traveling, and my old comforter that I have still yet to put away, and the new comforter has been on my bed. Am I in focus? No. For like 3 months? Yikes. No, probably like 2. And I have a whole bunch of orders going out. Trying not to show you addresses. But yeah, I think I have 6 orders left. 1 or 2 need to be put into one order. So half the order is done, and then the other half I still have to do. I really want to clean under my sink, but so I've decided I am giving myself a break at night. So I'm not really sleeping like ever. So I've decided to, Louie's about to jump up here and rock this. You should see his face. Oh, hello. Yes, hello. The fan is not gonna get you. Anyway, so my cat may or may not knock this. Come on, come on. So I have decided that I have to give myself a break. So I can't be like coming home, and I would give myself like a small break, like maybe like an hour or 2, and I would essentially take a break, and then I would eat dinner, and then I would go up to work. And then I would work sometimes until 10 or 11. And then obviously I can't sleep because I am like still in work mode. Like, oh, what do I need to do? What do I need to do? Like this, that, and this. So I've decided to stop at like 8 o'clock. So that means when I come home, if I decide to do stickers, which if I come home and work for an hour or 2 every single day, that should put me at a good spot to where I can print one day. Usually I print at night, so I mean, I'm trying to think, like I want to get to a place where I just come home, work, and then I can actually relax. So I'm not really having downtime. My downtime would be like in the middle of the day, not at like night. And I think that's what's making me like not sleep as well. So I think I've kind of given myself at 8 o'clock. It's time to stop, and it is 8:11. It's white on my white face. So yeah, 8:11, and I think it's gonna be better for me and like my health of my shop, and just because if I'm healthy and like treating this healthy, like without like obsessing and like needing to do it and like overly, what's the word? Overly obsessive, maybe. Just like I feel like as soon as I get an order, it has to go out. Like I have one of those things that I hate having people's money and like having the product. So I try to ship it out as soon as possible. However, obviously it doesn't work out like that. So I tend to be ready to ship now. That's what I kind of realized, that like once I had that realization of like why I'm freaking out. So that's why I kind of went ready to ship. like, but sort of ready to ship. Like, I had a couple icons that I didn't have printed, but I had a whole bunch of other ones that were printed, and like, for people who I can ship, they'll go out. But there's a caveat to that. If, okay, let's say, pirates. Let's say I have one full pirate kit, and the order that is next is a full pirate plus an icon sheet, and I don't have the icon sheet, and so I need to print it. And then the next order down the line is a pirate for 6, like a full, oh Nikes, is a full kit as well. I won't just ship that full kit. I will hang on to it until I can make the icon sheet. Does that make sense? But if I have like 3 pirates and I have 2, one requires an icon and then the second one is just the pirates, and I have it both in stock, I won't not ship that other order. I hope that makes sense. Like, I'm not gonna use the stock that I have ready to ship for orders that aren't done. I don't know if that makes sense. I feel like that makes sense in my head. Like, oh my God, he looks so cute right now. You are so cute. I'm sure these people wouldn't be happy that you're sleeping on their stickers though. So yeah, so if I have 5 pirate kits and 3 orders call for them, 1 I need to print something else, and 2 I can ship, I'm gonna ship those 2 because I still have the one in stock, the one that I'm trying to wait for the other icon sheet. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know how to say it any other way. If you still don't get it, you can message me. But my battery's dying. And I've been talking for 8.5 minutes and I'm a terrible mess. And it's after 8. And Dini is so cute, so I'm gonna go love him.